Hi, my name is Chaya Eber. I'm the director of Gan Academia, FIDI's only Jewish Montessori preschool. So when Rabbi Nissi and I came to the financial district to establish our Jewish community, we saw slowly how there was a need for community and programs for the children in FIDI. Being a mom of 3, thank God myself, I know how important it is for children to be able to run and express themselves in a safe place. When we decided the Gan Academia will be opening in FIDI, I said we must have an indoor gym, a sensory gym for the children to escape to. So just about the time when I was researching indoor gyms for our facility, I met a community member's aunt, and she herself was doing a baby class in Brooklyn. So I mentioned to her and we were discussing our own baby class here in FIDI, and we were sharing ideas. I gave her my playlist, and then she showed me her indoor gym that she had in her basement, and I was just looking at, marveling at how detailed it was, how it fit everything I wanted, and how it maximized the space. And remember, space in Manhattan is the most important thing. So Jennifer shared Troy's contact with me, and that's how we started. I called Troy immediately the next day, and he was so helpful and understood exactly what I wanted. I expressed my needs. I told him the logistics of having a preschool in Manhattan, the indoor factor of it. There's a beam in the middle. FIDI used to be banks. Can you imagine like a sensory gym in the middle of a bank? Well, that's what we are right now. So Troy and his whole Fun Factory team took our dream and turned it into a reality, maximizing every inch in this room, from the overhead to the jumping. So my favorite part of our indoor sensory gym is that it includes every single age, from 0 and 2-month-old babies all the way up to bar and bat mitzvah age teenagers. We have the swings, which the babies can go on and they're already enjoying it. And then we have the rock climbing, we have the incline for the toddlers and younger children. We have the straight up ones for the older children. We got the zip line going across for the older ones. We have the monkey bars, which you really have to be tall enough to reach it and go. So that's for, I'm talking about, 12, 13-year-olds. We have the over and under tunnel, which is extremely awesome. I really feel like this gym reaches every single age and every single stage in a childhood. But another important factor in this gym is being a special ed teacher myself. I understand the need for children to have a sensory space to go in. And our under tunnel, the children can go in and have a little hideout, a little cave to go into. There's dimmed lights, so it's safe and they can see each other. I know that the overhead tunnel, when you go up on top, the children who may need speech therapy, occupational therapy, they can go up there and practice not just the steps, but there's whiteboards going all around the walls, and they can get their own speech therapy or physical therapy in a fun space. Who wants to be pulled out of class? No one. But to be pulled into class is a whole nother reality. So this indoor gym is not just for everyone to play with, but anyone who has a need or somewhere that they need to work on, be it physical or emotional, social, developmental, they can find it here in this space with the stairs, with the rock wall, with going up and having therapy or any sessions up on top or under, even just some quiet time. Sometimes kids just need their space. So having this room, it really has everything inside. Another point to mention is that the swings, we got a baby swing, we got 2 kid age swings, and then we have a sensory swing, which is the net, which really helps children on all ages and all stages of their lives to just feel comfortable and included. If you are a director of a preschool or of any children's facility, you want to get an indoor sensory gym. It is beneficial for your children, for your staff, for your teachers, for your parents, and for your therapists. It will help your children developmentally, socially, emotionally, physically, and most importantly, happily. Feel free to schedule your tour at our brand new facility of Gan Academia and our indoor sensory play gym. If you have any questions or like some more information about our indoor gym at Gan Academia, feel free to reach out to us on our website, ganacademia.com, and I can't wait to watch you grow with us.